Now, our main focus point on Invest Talk today was about economic growth worldwide. Everyone talks about US growth, but global growth is important as well. 40% of S&P sales comes from abroad. And so what happens with the global economy will have an impact on our markets. And, here in the United States, the UN is projecting economic growth to slow because of labor market softness, as well as consumer spending slowing down just a bit, but still, decent growth, avoiding a recession. The big issue is in Europe, economic growth remains constrained for two reasons. Weak productivity, those are general laws that are driving that weak productivity over there, but also an aging population, bad demographics, just like in China. Now, in East Asia, economic growth is expected to continue to accelerate. Private consumption is really what is driving. So investment in those markets, as well as the consumer being strong and upping their standard of living, will certainly be a big driver of economic growth. Southeast Asia will see the biggest growth, though. India's continued economic expansion is really the main driver here. Now, in Africa, you'll see modest improvements in growth overall in Egypt, Nigeria, South Africa, but you still have high debt levels and a lot of conflicts throughout the region that will restrain economic growth. But overall global trade forecasted to expand 3.2% this year, driven by strong exports out of Asia and a rebound in service trade. So not physical goods, but services that is likely to do well. But a big swing factor will be those tariffs. Will Trump institute something aggressive, or will he start more modest and then potentially pull them back over time? I think that will be a big factor. So while these are interesting projections, there are so many factors that could swing it one way or the other.